Ensuring that a building is safe for occupation, construction or renovation isn't just about creating a space that looks good. It's about complying with strict health and safety regulations designed to protect people. But how do building surveys play a part in this compliance? In today's video, I'll be exploring how building surveys can help ensure that your property meets health and safety laws, keeping everyone safe while staying within legal guidelines. Firstly, building surveys can help identify hazards before they become a problem. Whether it's dodgy wiring, structural cracking, or potential fire risks, a survey can highlight safety concerns that need to be addressed. The earlier these risks are identified, the quicker and more cost-effectively they can be rectified, reducing the likelihood of accidents, long-term issues, or in some cases, really disruptive works. By uncovering these hazards, building surveys directly support compliance with health and safety regulations. They ensure that any risk factors are documented and managed appropriately, which is a key requirement under various health and safety laws. Structural integrity is another major focus of a building survey. Health and safety standards mandate that all buildings must be safe to occupy, and this extends to the structural elements of the property. A surveyor will assess the condition of walls, foundations, roofs, and other key elements to determine whether they pose a risk to occupants. Of course, it's difficult to directly inspect a building's foundations, but if there are issues, normally there will be other signs that something is wrong that a chartered building surveyor will be able to understand. Asbestos, lead paint, and other hazardous materials can be serious health and safety issues if not managed properly. When conducting a building survey, a surveyor will look for signs that these are present, but a building surveyor will not specifically test for these. In particular, while a survey report might highlight the presence of particularly obvious asbestos, you must understand that a building survey does not constitute an asbestos survey. Asbestos surveying is a separate discipline, but we can help clients find a suitable asbestos surveyor. Fire safety is another critical aspect of health and safety compliance. Building surveys will consider fire-related issues such as damaged fire doors or incomplete fire door compartmentation. As with asbestos, however, it is likely that you will need to engage with other advisors to ensure that the building offers suitable fire safety for your own occupation. You will need to have a fire risk assessment drawn up by a suitably qualified person, which will consider the type of activities taking place within your building alongside the adequacy of fire exits, fire doors, smoke detectors, travel distances, and provision of extinguishers. These checks are essential to ensure that a building can be safely evacuated in the event of an emergency. Health and safety laws also cover accessibility for all individuals, including those with disabilities. A building survey will include checks to ensure that the property is accessible in line with the Equality Act 2010 and the building regulations. As with all work, your surveyor should take the time to explain whether non-conformities need to be addressed now, or whether the issue can be deferred until a future trigger occurs. Health and safety compliance isn't a one-time task, it's an ongoing responsibility. Building surveys are most commonly completed when a property changes hands, but different types of surveys, such as stock condition surveys, can be conducted periodically to ensure that a property continues to meet legal standards, especially when changes or renovations are made. With the help of a building surveyor, property purchasers, owners and managers can ensure that their buildings are not only up to code at the time of inspection, but remain compliant as regulations change over time. So there you have it. Building surveys play a pivotal role in supporting compliance with health and safety laws. If you're looking to purchase a commercial property or have questions relating to regulatory compliance, Harris & Clarke's expert team of building surveyors can be reached on 020 8153 1233 and look forward to speaking with you soon.